Making a tea leaf lei. Gather large green tea leaves, snip them off of their spines, and you can either freeze them for a couple of hours or you can boil them in a large pot for a few minutes. Let them cool, and in the meantime you can gather fresh flowers and other ornamental plants that will hold up well when they're dried. Plumeria flowers, pu'ukini, these are beautiful flowers to use. Take long strips of cooled tea leaf, twist them up, and then make a big long rope about the size of the length of your arm, and you want to tie off those ends together. So making two long ropes about the same length. Now you want to tie the ends of those two ropes together in a single square knot, and then twisting each of those ropes in one direction, and then you want to twist them together in the opposite direction like you're making rope, cordage. Twist these all together and tie them off on the end until you have a necklace. Now snip off any additional pieces of the leaf, and then you want to separate those cords that have been twisted together and just place your individual flowers in between those pieces of cordage, creating a beautiful decorative lei that smells intoxicating like springtime. Mahalo nui loa. Enjoy your lei.